Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's English class? Yes. In our today's English class, we are going to see composition. Yes. You all know what is composition? A topic will be given and you are going to write about it. Okay, children? Today we are going to take the topic lotus. What is it? Lotus. Take out your English classwork note, children. Have you all taken? Write the heading English composition. Write the heading English composition. Write it slowly and neatly. Put today's date. Don't forget to put date, okay, children? Yes. Did you all write the topic? Yes. Lotus. Write lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. So children, you all know what is a lotus? It is a flower. Yes, in EVS we learned, right? Lotus is a flower that will be in water. There are so many different colors in lotus, right? We have many numbers. Yes. So, we are going to write about lotus in this class. Are you all ready? Yes. Write number 1. Put number 1 before the red line. Okay, children? Yes. Lotus is our national flower. So, children, we have so many national things, right? We have national songs, we have national bird, we have national animal, we have national emblem, everything we have, right? Like that, we have a flower which symbolize our nation, that is lotus. Write it, children. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Lotus is our national flower. Did you all write it? Very good. Second point, put number 2. Lotus are generally in pink, red, white and blue in color. So we commonly see pink, red and white. Blue is very rare. Okay, children? Commonly we will get only pink, red and white. Blue are very rare types of flowers. We have not seen it in so many places. It is very rarely found. Okay. But in our India we can see, in our Tamil Nadu we can see pink, red and white very commonly. Okay, children? Yes. Right? Lotus are generally in pink, red, comma, white and blue in color. Lotus are generally in pink, red, white and blue in color. Lotus are generally in pink, red, white and blue in color. Did you all write both the lines, children? Write it slowly, okay, children? Very good. Can we move to the third point? The leaves of lotus flower floats on the surface of the water. So the leaves in the lotus flower will float in the water. Yes, we have learnt about the lotus in our EVS class, right? Yes, it will float in water. We have read it, right? So, the leaves of lotus flower floats on the surface of the water. The leaves of lotus flower floats on the surface of the water. The leaves of lotus flower floats on the surface of the water. The leaves of lotus flower floats on the surface of the water. Yes. Did you all write it? Next. Lotus flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi. Have you all seen Goddess Lakshmi? She will be sitting on the red lotus flower, right? Yes. Lotus flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi. Lotus flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi. Lotus flower is offered to Goddess Lakshmi. Yes, did you all write it, children? Yes. Next one, fifth one. Kamal is the Hindi name of lotus flower. Kamal is the Hindi name of lotus flower. Kamal is the Hindi name of lotus flower. In Hindi, we will say it as Kamal. In Tamil, we will say it as Tamarai. It is considered as sacred flower. It is considered as sacred flower. It is considered as sacred flower. Then the last point, seventh point. Lotus flower stands for truth, purity, peace wealth. So, the lotus flower symbolizes, it stands for truth. It is symbolized for truth. Okay? Then purity, peace and wealth. Okay, children? Right? Lotus flower stands for truth, purity, peace and wealth. Lotus flower stands for truth, purity, peace and wealth. Lotus flower stands for truth, purity, peace and wealth. Yes, did you all write it? So have you all written all the 7 points, children? Yes. So write it and keep it safe. Okay, children? So we have wrote 7 points about what? We have written about lotus. Yes. Did you all write it? Did you all write it neatly? Yes. Very good, children. So in next class, I will meet you with another topic. Okay, children? Till then, be safe at home and enjoy. Thank you. Sai Ram.